Okay guys, so we are doing our training over here in Kamwala, and we just want to sweep our place because we're not going to come here early tomorrow. So I just want to show you what's going on and why we are cleaning up this place, okay? So as you can see, my brother here, okay? Yes. So my brother and I have teamed up to clean this place up. Like, we're gonna do the best that we can to make this place look good. You see what I mean? So that even if we don't come early tomorrow, at least we'll have some backup that we did the work. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So here it is. Okay. Okay guys, so we are in the Korea pandemic over here in Zambia. That is why we need to clean up, okay? Because cholera can only be fought by cleaning, okay? So I want to show you what I'm doing here. So I'm lifting up all that dirt, taking it from this side and bagging it up, okay? We gotta keep our city clean. Cleanliness is godliness. Okay, let's rock on. So as you guys can see, we are cleaning up the place where we trade from. We're not cleaning the whole town. Everyone's got to clean where they trade from. If anything, they should be cleaning every day. Okay? So I want to show you. We just trade in front of this yellow shop, right over here. Okay guys, so my brother has brought another pack. Okay guys, so we've cleaned up the city. Okay, we've cleaned up where we trade from. Okay, so no one is going to say that hey we don't clean. We do clean. Today is Thursday, okay, the 8th of February, and we have cleaned. Okay, we've even done some extra over there. Okay, over here, unfortunately I have to go now, but over here, okay, the ladies are going to sweep this place before they leave, because they leave much later than I do, okay? But the tarmac place is clean. It's just the veranda place which they are going to sweep as soon as they are done with their trading, okay? So we've cleaned. No one is going to say we didn't clean. Okay, thank you very much guys, and subscribe. Ciao. So this bag that I've just shown you is full of garbage, which we've collected right in front of the shop where we trade from. Okay guys, we've done our work, like I said. So No one should say we don't clean, because we have clean. Guys, see you later. Okay, so we've even hired someone to go and throw the rubbish thing away. Okay, so we are done basically. Okay.